This video is about the pH scale. The pH scale measures acidity, and if you've learned anything about acids and bases so far, you know that acidity is related to the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. Now, in sort of common everyday solutions, as you can see in this list here, it doesn't show it on this chart, but the range of H plus concentrations is quite huge for these various substances. So gastric acid, lemon juice, bleach, ammonia, baking soda. The amount of H plus, the concentration of H plus is varies greatly, and we are talking about in the range of 10 to the minus 14 molarity to 1. Okay, so that is an astronomical range. And about 100 years ago, scientists came up with a system to, instead of molarity, that will tell you the concentration and tell you how acidic something is. And it's called the pH system. Again, all it is a reflection of the H plus concentration. This is how you calculate it. This is how you calculate it. The pH is the negative log of the H plus concentration. So if you do that, if you take the negative log of, let's say the H plus concentration is very low, negative log of 10 to the negative 13, if that's your H plus concentration, the negative log of that gives you 13, which is just sort of a nice round number. It's a nice integer number. It's not anything in scientific notation, so it's just sort of easier on the eyes. Regular pure water, negative log, pure water has an H plus concentration of 10 to the negative 7, and the pH is 7. You go down to orange juice here, which has a concentration of 10 to the negative 3 H plus, and you get a pH of 3. So that's it. That's all the pH system is. It's a way of representing the H plus concentration that tends to give you nicer numbers that are not in scientific notation. Now, the other thing that you should be able to do is to not only calculate the pH, but if you have the pH, figure out what the H plus concentration is. So in other words, do this whole process backwards. And the way you do that is with this equation. The H plus concentration equals 10 raised to the negative pH. So for example, if I said the pH of tomato juice is 4, what is the H plus concentration? You would plug that in and you would say, okay, 10 raised to the negative pH, which I said was 4. So 10 to the negative 4 molar is going to be the H plus concentration for tomato juice. That's it. That's the pH scale. Thanks for watching.